Hey everybody, ChestnutMtnTinman here. We're out at the Cherokee Gun Club with the 43X. Have the AR out here, 22 conversion in a minute. Just wanted to make sure this thing was still zeroed after the swim. Well, that's where it needed to be at 10. Let's give it a 20. Looks like it's holding its own. Makes me feel better now. Nothing wrong with that. That was a .96 from low ready. Low. 112. 106. 182. Dang, getting slow in my old age. All right, let's play a little bit of AR-15 now. That thing's sweet when it shoots.
quick.
Well, that was quick. I think that's all the ammo I'm going to shoot today. I mainly wanted to make sure that the 43X was zeroed. Then I shot 50-22s, so that's cool. So thank you for coming out to the range with me. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and give this a like. Make me feel good. Comment with words or emojis. Tell me what you like. Tell me where you'd like me to go on the scooter here shortly with the drone or whatever. And if you can't watch it all the way through, grab that slider and pull it, letting the little white space stay ahead of you, and just complete the watch. And then if you can come back, grab it. If you're not one of my subscribers, please help my channel grow and hit the subscribe button and then the bell icon for notification. I'm at $4.99. I need one person and we'll hit 500, and I have a $50 Amazon card giveaway. I'm gonna let it ride for 5 days and let everybody comment on it, and then TubeBuddy will randomly spin it and pick a winner. So don't forget, and if I'm not one of your subscribers, I'll hit your channel and help it grow. It's only fair. Tin Man saying, come on, one more person, 500. See ya. All right, my friends, Tin Man here. Wednesday night, just before 9 o'clock, March the 10th. Left church, had to come get some 88 dead dinosaurs for Amber of non-ethanol fuel. So that's why it's 88, not 93. But this is more powerful. Most I can get in this area is 90, and that's over in Brazelton. They won't go that far this evening, and this gas runs fine. She's run ethanol free now for almost 3 years. She thinks she's been punished if I have to put premium in her on a trip or something, unless I get lucky and find some. Beautiful night, blue skies, 63 degrees. Went to the range earlier before I had to go to church. I wanted to verify the zero on the 43X, and shot the AR with the 22 converter for 50 rounds. I didn't shoot but 20 rounds through the 9mm, because there's not enough of it to waste. Of course, you're never wasting it. You're always improving, hopefully. Hopefully. It's been burning leaves. I got the fireplace on. A little warm for a fireplace. Maybe it's a smoldering leaf pile. Smells good. Dangerous though. There's a burn ban right now. Everything is so dry. Smoky through here. Oh, please don't turn. Just be curve afraid. Yeah, get your feet off the brakes. Well, with the range in this and close to home, I think I'm going to go ahead and tell you goodbye for the night. See you again on Friday. Ride safe, ride often, and don't forget, smash the thumbs up and give it a like. Don't forget to comment with words or emojis or both. I really love to hear what you're thinking, positive or negative. Also, if you can't watch all of this video at once, pull that slider to the right, keep it behind the white line, and then come back if you can. And if you're not one of my subscribers, you happen to surf in, please help my channel grow. I'm at $4.99, one person, and we'll have the giveaway for $500. I have a $50 Amazon card burning up my wallet. And if I'm not one of your subscribers, I will subscribe to you and help your channel grow. So, Chestnut Mountain Tin Man on this beautiful, beautiful night, saying we will see you